Hi dear students, welcome to Jyoti Engineering College YouTube channel. Myself Archana is Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Jyoti Engineering College. Thumb rule for calculating approximate weight of mild steel bars. Weight per meter length is equal to d square by 162 kg per meter. That is a formula used for measuring the weight per unit length, where d is the diameter of bar in mm. For example, for mild steel bar of diameter 20 mm, the weight per meter length is equal to, substitute the value of dia in the above said equation, 20 square by 162 is equal to 2.47 kg per meter. It is approximately equal to 2.50 kg per meter. Some textbook, the formula is represented as d square by 160 kg per meter. So, next is calculation of materials for concrete work. Assume volume of wet concrete is equal to 10 m3. Increase 50 to 55% for dry concrete. After the making some studies, they concluded that 50 to 55% of dry concrete is required, means more than 10 m3 is required for 10 m3 wet concrete. Therefore, the volume of dry concrete is equal to 10 plus 50 to 55 of 10. That becomes 15 to 15.5 m3 aggregate, means aggregate plus sand plus cement required for making 10 m3 wet concrete. Okay. So, we are taking around 15.2 m3 as multiplication factor for converting wet concrete to dry concrete. In some textbook, it is taken as 15.4 m3. It is a range between 15.0 to 15.5. Calculation continued. Then, quantity of cement required for 10 m3 concrete work is equal to, multiplication factor is 15.2 divided by summation of proportion. For cement concrete of proportion, example 1:4:8, then quantity of cement required is equal to 1 by 1 plus 4 plus 8 is the proportion, summation of proportion, into multiplication factor 15.2 becomes 1.2 m3 of cement is required for 10 m3 wet concrete. That 1 m3 cement weight is equal to 1440 kg. So, we can convert 1.2 m3 to in terms of kilogram. And also, 1 bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. Therefore, quantity of cement is equal to 1.2 into 1440 becomes 1728 kg. And in terms of bags, it will be 35 bags, approximately 35 bags required for making wet concrete. Then, if you get the value of cement, it is very simple to calculate the quantity of sand and aggregate. Quantity of sand required for 10 m3 concrete work is equal to 1.2. It is the volume of cement into the proportion. The proportion is 4 for sand. So, 1.2 into 4 becomes 4.80 m3 sand is required. Density of sand is 1920 kg per meter cube. So, in terms of kg, the quantity of sand become 9.216 tons. Next, we will move to calculate the aggregate. Quantity of aggregate is equal to 1.2 is the quantity of cement into proportion of aggregate is 8. So, multiply with that proportional value, 1.2 into 8 becomes 9.60 m3 aggregate is required for making 10 m3 concrete. Thank you.